Assalamu alaikum. Hello to everyone. How are you, dear students? Welcome to the channel, the Twins Academy. We were discussing the different topical MCQ related with the nuclear physics or nuclear atom, you can say. And today is the last episode of that particular section. And subtopic is isotope. So let's start the topical questions related with the concept of isotope. So first of all, can anyone tell what is the definition of isotope? So isotope are the atoms of element having same number of protons but different number of neutrons. So this is the basic concept of isotopes. So let's start the questions related with this concept. Question number 1. Isotope of an element contains the same number of, no, same number of atoms, no, same number of neutrons, no, same number of nucleons, no, same number of protons, yes. So option D will be the correct answer. And you can see over here, isotope of an element contain the same number of protons, atoms of the same element having same number of protons. So question number 1 is clear to all of you. Okay. Question number 2, by yourself, write the question number in comments. Question number 2, and write the answer in comments that which option is true. I am giving you hint. Out of these 4 options, 1 is the correct option. Which statement define isotopes? Two nuclei having same number of protons, okay, same number of protons, but different number of electrons. So electrons option is omitted at all. Different number of, so this is not possible because same number of neutrons, not possible. Same number of neutrons, not possible. So now which option is correct? Option D is the correct answer. Now let's move to the question number 4. The neutral atom of isotopes of the same element, isotopes, same number of, okay. Now we have to coordinate same number of protons, okay, and different number of neutrons. So neutrons are there, same number of neutrons and protons not possible. And we know that in a neutral atom, the number of protons are equals to number of electrons. So option A is the correct answer. But in definition, you are always supposed to write atoms of element that have same number of protons, always. Question number 5. Proton number is the name of atomic number, okay. Nucleon number is the name of mass number, okay. What are isotopes? Nuclei with, okay. Nucleon number is the name of mass number. Okay, Ji. What was the definition of isotope? They have the same number of protons. Different protons, not possible. Same proton number, okay. And same number of protons, but different number of neutrons, and obviously protons plus neutrons combinedly they are called as nucleon. So nuclei with the same number of proton, but now you can see they don't or they cannot have the same number of protons and same number of nucleons. So that will be wrong. So different nucleon number, option C is the correct answer. Question number 6. The table shows the composition of a nuclei of 3 nucleides X, Y, and Z. Number of protons 12. Number of protons 13. Number of protons 13. Which nuclide are isotope of same element? And what was the definition of isotope? Same number of protons but different number of neutrons. So same number of protons. So which two elements or which two nuclide have same number of protons? Y and Z. And when we will look over here, they have different number of neutrons. So now which option is correct? Y and Z. Option C is the correct answer. So basic concept should be there in your mind. Okay. What are the particles in nucleus of oxygen isotope 0.178, not 0.178? Okay. In nucleus number of electrons 0. So these two options are obsoleted. And now we will check same number of protons but different number of sorry. In nucleus there are no number of electrons, so these two options can be correct. So you have to be very careful. And in nucleus there are no number of electrons, so these two options are wrong options. So while attempting the MCQs you have to be very careful. I was casual for a second and mistake was there. So in electrons there are no, in nucleus there are no electrons. So it's mean option A and B can be possible. C and D cannot possible because in a nucleus there are no electrons. In a nucleus only protons and neutrons are there. Okay. Now 8 and 8. Same number of, how many number of neutrons will be there? 9. Okay. So same number of protons but different number of neutrons. So 8. This will be 8. And 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 9 and 0. So option A is the correct answer. The next question. 3 nuclei PQR have the same proton numbers. Okay. And nucleon numbers. Which nuclei are the isotope of same element? What was the definition of isotope? Same number of protons but different number of neutrons. So first of all we will check the same number of protons and you will do it by yourself. Write the question number in the comments and write your answer as well. Let's move towards the next question. (1H2) and (1H3) are the two isotopes of hydrogen. Compared 1H2 atom, how many protons and neutrons does tritium 1H3 atom have? Since they are the isotopes, 1H2, so they must have the same number of protons, 1 and 1. So these two options can be possible. But different number. Okay. Now we will calculate the number of neutrons. 1, neutrons 2. So obviously tritium has one more neutron than deuterium. So more, same, and option C is the correct answer. So first of all, you have to calculate the number of neutrons. And obviously by definition as well, same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Now different will be definitely, we have to check more or less depending on the statement of question. Okay. A nucleate has the notation X 2348. Which line the table describe different isotopes? Okay. So what was the definition? Same number of protons. So now you can see from this 23 and 23. So first option matches with your answer. So same number of protons but different number of neutrons. And obviously this will refer to the number of nucleons. Okay, Ji. Next question. Chlorine exists as two isotope. One has the nucleon number 35 and the other has the nucleon number 37. Which table shows the correct number of protons and neutrons in isotopes? In the isotopes. Correct number of protons and the neutrons. Okay. Now, since they are the isotopes and in isotope, number of protons should be same. Okay. Number of protons same. Number of protons same. Number of neutrons. So what we will do, we will calculate 1737 minus 17 is equals to 20, and second one was 35 minus 17. 18. So one should have 18 number of neutrons and other should have 20, 18 and 20. So this one. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer. Bus. Write question number 12 in comments and write answer. The diagram represents nuclei of the three atoms, which are the isotope of same elements. Now this key is given. Number of protons. How many protons? 2. How many protons? 3. How many protons? 2. Number of neutrons? 3, 2, 2. So by definition, the elements having same number of protons, P is equals to 2, P is equals to 2. So P and R. So P and R. So option B is the correct answer. I hope so that now you will be able to understand the concepts of question related with isotope. So best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.